right, everybody, we're just cruising along here in the topic 2 review of Algebra 2. And what we've got going on here is they want us to get this in a factored form. Well, one thing that we've got here is we could factor out the 5. So if we factored out the 5, we'd have x squared plus 1. So if this 5 were multiplied back in, that'd be 5x squared. But the question is, how do you factor the x squared plus 1? Or in other words, like if I set it equal to 0, what would the solutions be? And then we'll rewrite that in the factored form. So if I subtracted this 1 to the other side, so I'd have the x squared equals -1, or subtracted 1 on both sides is probably the more accurate way to describe that. And then if I square root both sides, don't forget you got to do a positive or a negative. So we get x equals a positive or a negative square root of -1, but that's just I. So then if you're going to write this in the factors, you're going to have x minus I for the positive I part, x plus I for the negative I part, and don't forget we factored a 5 out from the start. And so that's the kind of thing they're looking for to get it in the factored form on this problem. So let's put her in and see how we did. The common factor of 5, and because of the -1 and +1, we had x minus I and x plus I. And I think that ought to do the trick. So hopefully that helps you. Again, if you still need more practice, don't forget down on the bottom, you've got the help me solve this. You got the view and example. And if you need more practice because you think you understand it, but you want to double check, you can go do another problem. Keep at it. You got it.